Noises. Rattling noise. Check if the filter is loose or clogged. If necessary, clean the filter. High-pitch whistling. When water is drawn into the unit, a whistling noise can be heard. If the water volume is too high, the whistling noise will be louder. It may be necessary to adjust the tap to reduce the water volume supplied to the product. Growling, air-sucking noise. Did you choose the express cycle? In the express cycle, air is pulled through to clean the filter. Select the turbo cycle. Use the amount of detergent recommended in the owner's manual based on the cycle selected. Use only automatic dishwasher detergent. Beep sound on opening the door. High temp alarm. When you open the door immediately following a steam, heated wash, rinse, or dry cycle, a buzzing sound will alert you if there are high temperatures inside the washer.